Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use O'Keeffe's Working Hands Cream. This will be a tutorial and review of this awesome product. Let's get right into the video. Let me show you my knuckles. So every winter I get cracked knuckles like big time. So you can see this one's healing up, this one is still cracked, and this one was cracked and is basically fully healed. Now I use a decent amount of hand cream and I wear gloves outside, but I do a lot of stuff outdoors that I can't wear gloves with. So a lot of the things that I'm doing outside in the winter are finer things, and I'm not comfortable doing them while wearing thick gloves. So I either wear thin gloves or no gloves at all. And this product has been absolutely astonishing at healing my hands and allowing me to work. So what I do, this is how I use it, okay? You open it up, you can see it has I've used quite a bit of it, right? This is just from this season. I got this at the beginning of the winter season, and we're at the end of winter. So we're talking about 3 months in, give or take, of using this. And it still lasts a long time, okay? So I just use one hand, and I sort of get a good amount of the cream like that. And then I rub it on specifically the areas that I need, that are cracked or that are not in good condition, right? I'll do the same thing, which are my knuckles always. I'll do the same thing with the other hand, like that. Then I get some more cream, like that. I get a decent amount of cream like that. And then I just rub it all on my hands like that, okay? Now, the good thing about O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand cream is that, first of all, it allows your skin to heal because your skin is more elastic. Your skin starts cracking when it's not elastic because it's cold outside, right? Your skin becomes brittle, and then you bend it, and then all of a sudden a crack forms, and then it gets bigger until it heals over. This allows your skin to be more elastic, which heals the cracks, okay? Now, the reason that these cracks formed over here is because I was silly and I didn't put this hand cream on. I was in a rush. I didn't put this hand cream on, and I shoveled without gloves because my gloves were too wet to be used, maybe for 4 or 5 shoveling sessions at like half an hour each time. And it was like one day after the next. We had snow for so many days straight. And these cracks formed. But when I use this hand cream over here, okay, I usually can avoid getting these cracks for the most part, okay? Or if I get them, they're not nearly as bad. That's how to use it, and that's also my review of it. Really, really cool. I like the fact that it's so small. I actually keep one of these in my car as well, so that if I'm ever at work and my hands feel brittle, I can always just use the cream at work, right? Or anywhere really. If I'm on the go and my hands feel like they need some cream, I just put the cream on. So that's how to use it, and that is my review of it. It's that simple. I love this stuff. It's awesome. I've used all sorts of hand creams. My wife has used all sorts of hand creams as well because she's got some pretty brittle hands as well, some pretty dry skin on her hands, and we both love this the most. It just works really well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.